So you're probably wondering what this is. This is a wind-up chicken! What fun! And you can see this chicken has like a eye and a beak and all. Oh my god! Its head it got chopped off! Oh, it's still going though. It's running around with that. Well, it's kind of walking slowly with its head chopped off. Okay, well, not anymore. Now it's dead. This chicken also has another great feature. It might be the greatest feature of anything I've ever seen. Okay, ready? Oh my god. I just can't. Okay. Originally it came with like these eggs, and it would just dispense like a candy egg one at a time, but like... Okay, that's it. That's all I got. Oh my god.